Good morning, students. In today's class, we will discuss about tense. In the series of the tense, we have discussed about the definition of tense, the types of the tense, and subtypes of the tense. First one is present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. It means present at the time of the present. Indefinite, which is not definite, that we can say in Hindi अनिश्चित. And present, it means वर्तमान. वर्तमान अनिश्चित. And after that, the helping verb of present indefinite. Helping verb in a negative and interrogative sentence. Sentence structure. Subject plus do or does plus we first plus subject plus do does plus not plus we first plus object. This is the structure of negative sentence. First, this is also subject. Do does both are helping verbs which are used in negative sentence as well as interrogative and negative come interrogative sentence. After that, not and we first, this is a main verb and object at the last of the sentence, full stop. In interrogative sentence, do or does plus subject plus we first plus object plus question mark. This is the formation of interrogative sentence. Before interrogative and negative, this is also essential to draw the structure of simple sentence. Simple sentence, subject plus we first plus s या es plus object and full stop. If subject of any sentence in present indefinite, for example, he, she, it, singular noun, and any name, there will be use of we first plus s या es. We first plus s and es. If the subject of any sentence is I, we, they, you, and any plural, there will be only we first. There is no any use of s and es in simple sentence. After that, negative and interrogative sentence. Negative come interrogative sentence. Do does subject not we first object and question mark. This structure will be for interrogative come negative. And some students just think what will be the difference, what is the difference between do and does, in which condition that we can use do and in which condition that we can use does. The same thing also define. This is also applicable on this. If the sentence is started in with the pronouns of he, she, it, or any singular noun or any noun name, there will be use of does plus not. And if any sentence is started with pronouns, uh, subject is I, we, they, and you in interrogative sentence as well as negative sentence, there will be use of do plus not plus we first. This is for negative. In interrogative, do plus subject plus we first plus object and question mark. This will be the structure for interrogative, negative, interrogative come negative, and simple sentence. In emphatic sentence, that we also can use do and does. Thanks and have a nice day.